Tesla ramps hiring for Roadster as latest unveiling approaches. Tesla is ramping up hiring for positions related to the Roadster program, the company's ultra-fast supercar that has been teased to potentially hover by CEO Elon Musk. The company seems to be crossing off its last handful of things before it plans to unveil the vehicle on April Fool's Day, just about 4 months away. Tesla published 3 new positions for the Roadster this week, relating to battery manufacturing, general manufacturing, and vision engineering. All 3 are located in Northern California, with 2 being at the Fremont factory and the other at the company's engineering HQ in Palo Alto. Technical Program Manager, Battery Manufacturing located in Fremont. This role specifically caters to the design of the Roadster to factory operations. It appears this role will mostly have to do with developing and engineering the Roadster's battery pack and establishing the production processes for it. You will foster collaboration across design engineering, manufacturing, quality, facilities, and production to align with company priorities. Additionally, you will understand project opportunities, challenges, and dependencies, translate scattered information into concise, complete messages, and communicate them to every team member. As the business process development lead, you will develop, maintain, and implement tools and processes to accelerate battery manufacturing execution, achieve cross-functional alignment, and deliver highly efficient systems. Manufacturing Engineer, Roadster, also located in Fremont. This role also has to deal with the concept development and launch of battery manufacturing equipment. Tesla says, in this role, you will take large-scale manufacturing systems for new battery products and architectures from the early concept development stage through equipment launch, optimization, and handover to local operations teams. Manufacturing Vision Engineer, Battery Vision. This position is in Palo Alto, at Tesla's engineering headquarters, and requires the design and scale of advanced inspection and control systems to next-generation battery products. You'll work on automation processes that directly improve battery performance, quality, and cost, collaborating with world-class engineers in a fast-paced, hands-on environment. Developing and deploying 2D and 3D vision and measurement systems from proof of concept to deployment on high-volume battery manufacturing lines is part of the job description. Roadster Unveiling. Tesla plans to unveil the Roadster on April 1st, and although it was planned for late this year, it is nice to see the company put out a definitive date. Musk said on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast in late October, "Whether it's good or bad, it will be unforgettable." My friend Peter Thiel once reflected that the future was supposed to have flying cars, but we don't have flying cars. I think if Peter wants a flying car, he should be able to buy one. I think it has a shot at being the most memorable product unveil ever. Production should begin between 12 to 18 months after unveiling, so we could see it sometime in 2027. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.